Hello and welcome to another episode of Line Down. I'm Gail Tao with Ames Solder, and today we're answering a question from Renee who writes, we're switching suppliers for our SN100C bar solder. Is it okay to combine bar from our old supplier with bar from our new supplier in the solder pot? Great question, Renee. In an ideal world, SN100C bar should be exactly the same regardless of supplier, but this isn't always the case. Ask both suppliers for an element specification sheet, which should show the ranges and limits of impurities in their product. Should the sheets look roughly the same, you're probably okay to combine bars, but there are a few notes of caution to consider. Note that while the products may have the same impurity specifications, they may contain different dross-reducing agents, which could result in performance variations during the transition period if you combine the bar. SN100C is also a bit of a special product. It was originally patented by Nihon Superior, and although the patent may have expired in most countries, any manufacturers selling an imitation of this product are not bound by the formulation in the patented version. Note also that the solder joint composition of tin, copper, nickel with germanium, as well as the top-off alloy process, are still covered by patents. This means that if you choose a supplier that does not have rights to the patent, they may not be able to legally supply the correct maintenance alloy. Ames Solder actually retains the rights to sell SN100C from Nihon Superior. So if you're acquiring this product from any other manufacturer, you should be very careful when switching over. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. AIM can even assist with a solder pot analysis to help you make informed decisions on how to proceed. Until next time.